Hey everyone, it's Chronic Blaze here, and welcome back to my video. In today's video, we are going to be playing some Universe Sandbox 2, and we're going to be bringing back an old series. So you might remember, I don't know if it was like a year ago or whenever it was, but I used to make videos on the Pushing the Limits series. So we're going to bring it back today. So for example, this is Earth. Earth is the planet that we all live on. Earth is a good planet. But today, Earth is going to be our main weapon at completely and utterly breaking this game. So today, we're going to be trying to push the limits of Universe Sandbox, and I also just realized that there's ice in Africa. I have one goal today, and that is to lag the game as much as possible, and I will be taking some stuff that I already know to literally try and crash this game. So what we want to do first, and I've been wanting to try this for a while, you know, just quickly, I want to just increase the density of the sun. We're gonna lock the mass and the radius of the sun and just increase the density because I want to see what happens to everything. Because by increasing the density of the gravity and density of the sun, in theory, we should increase its gravitational pull. Okay, maybe that's its mass that we have to increase. Oh, yeah, now stuff's happening. Now stuff's happening. This is what I like to see. It has a mass of... Oh, jeez, Mercury. Are you okay, buddy? Did Mercury just die, guys? Well, that's one way that we can push the limits of this game is you look directly at a sun and it doesn't go well. Let's see. If we keep speeding this up and just completely... Okay, never mind. Now, we're not doing that. If we just constantly multiply the temperature, the density... Yup. Okay, there we go. That's exactly what we want to do. Okay, and the solar system has been messed with. What I want to do quickly is we are going... Is Earth still around? No, it's not. Well, something just got flung off into space. That was Jupiter, and now Saturn is leaving too. Okay, so that's what you don't want to do in this game is make the sun have a ridiculous gravitational pull. But what we can do is generally... Okay, I was gonna say generally increase the radius of the sun, or sorry, not the radius. We're gonna generally increase the temperature now. Because if we generally increase the temperature of the sun, I have literally seen someone crash this game doing that. So there's a times 10. How's Earth doing right now? Okay, so the ice caps have melted, and Earth now only has a radius of 204 kilometers. The sun is also now blue, so now our goal is to crash the game with temperature. So what I want to do is just increase this, yeah, bring that right up. And now we're just gonna do that. Didn't quite work, and now Pluto's going off into space. Okay, you know what? Let's actually do what we were going to do in this. What I was going to do. So basically, we have one goal right now, and that is to crash the game. So right here, we're gonna place Earth, okay? This is Earth. This Earth is going to be position locked because we're not going to mess up the game that bad. Let's just turn on the flashlight so we can actually see something. Notice how people are living on this Earth. I don't know how because it's going to get freezing cold because there's no sun. So this is the Earth, okay? What we're going to do to Earth today is that we are going to completely destroy it and hope that crashes the game. So taking knowledge from the last video, what I know we want to do is place Pluto near the Earth. So I want to go kind of far from the Earth. And what we're going to do, and you're probably going to be wondering why we're placing Pluto here, but I have reasons, trust me. So we're not going to have Pluto orbit the Earth. We want Pluto to be completely still. I think about there should be okay. Pluto, we're going to positionally lock. We'll see what happens. Let's just quickly position lock this Earth because I don't want stuff to go crazy here. And you'll see where we're going with this in a sec here. It's just taking me a while to set this up. So what we want to do is progressively, constantly increase the radius of Pluto until it becomes a star. Oh, there we go. Pluto now has the mass of 2.31 Earth, so let's just multiply that by 10. Pluto's a gas giant, and it's too close to Earth, because as soon as we multiply it by 10, that'll be a star, and... We did it! We crashed the game! We crashed it! That was our goal, was literally to crash the game. That's all we wanted to do was crash the game. So, that's how you crash the game. Do I actually have any simulations saved here? The Bra Galaxy. I made this with Martian24 on stream months ago. So this is called Earth But Interesting. Yeah, it's literally just a rock. Here's Tennis Land. Oh, it's a floating tennis ball that has the radius of 6,000 kilometers. Where's Fireboy? Oh my god. This is Fireboy. I don't even know what this is supposed to be. The temperature of Fireboy right here is 705 degrees. This is Bruh, not to be confused with the sun. This is just Bruh. We have slightly less Fireboy. Yo, this one's got a polar ice cap on it. Okay, I want to try this stupid idea. Basically, we're going to shoot a bunch of Earths at the Earth. So let's get Earth here. Okay, so there is Earth. But we want to make sure all these other Earths don't get gravitationally pulled toward each other. So what we're going to do is position lock this Earth. Now what we want to do is we want to come out here and literally from all directions shoot Earths at Earth. Okay, we're just placing all the Earths. Nothing to see here other than the fact that there's literally a million Earths pointing at this Earth right here. Oh, yes. So that's a lot of Earths, as you can see. We're not done yet. This is how I intended we would crash the game. I have no idea what's gonna happen when we do this. There's so many Earths. I don't know what's gonna happen when we run this simulation. We're gonna find out though. Oh my god. What is gonna happen when we run this simulation? Seriously. Look, 99% habitable. We're not dead yet. Trust me when I say this isn't habitable though, because literally there is no star here. So the Earth is, I don't know, cold. I think, no, that's not enough. Clearly it's not enough. We need more Earth. I don't know what's gonna happen when we run this. I'm excited to find out. Okay, I think that's enough Earth. Okay, stuff starts moving fast. Are these Earths moving? Did two of the Earths already hit each other? Because this one's already blowing up. One of the Earths may have blown up. I regret to inform you all, but we have lost one of the Earths. Oh, a lot of the Earths are crashing into each other. We have another collision. Oh, there's another collision down there. This is, remember, this is the Earth that we're focusing on. This main one right here. Bear in mind, all these projectiles, there's some more Earths colliding. I think we're gonna have the first collision with the main Earth in a couple of seconds here. Okay, so one miss. There's the first collision. Are they all missing? They're missing. They're literally missing. Oh my. There's so many explosions. This is gonna be a direct hit right here. Oh, no, that's gonna miss. That one's gonna miss too. They're all missing. They might hit each other though. Is this flaming Earth gonna run into it? Oh my god. Okay, the Earth is starting to flame. Oh, there's the first hit. Oh my god. There's still so many that need to come in too. Where's the main Earth? Holy. It's probably the gravitational pull that's like screwing everything up. I want to see if an Earth can get out of this unscathed, because the main Earth right now is not totally dead. It has the mass of 1.4 Earths. There's no other Earths that seem to be... Like, look at this Earth. This Earth got out nearly unscathed. This one's actually alive. One of the Earths appears to have been destroyed. Yep, the average surface temperature was 22,000 degrees. I say that was pretty cool. We need a little thing right now that's called a black hole. This will destroy everything. Let's just run that. And goodbye, Earth. I want to bully Jupiter. We're going to start crashing other gas giants into Jupiter. But first, we need to crash the sun into Jupiter, or whatever this star is. That's going right into... Oh... Jeez. You know what? We're just gonna launch like 50 million Betelgeuse. Oh, no. We got a supernova. This is a question that I've always had, and I'd like to know. What happens if we launch a tennis ball at light speed towards the surface of Earth? This tennis ball is the greatest tennis ball that Earth will ever see. But what we want to do is set its speed. I don't know how many zeros this is, but this is gonna be epic if this works. I think that's the slowest we can go, which we're probably gonna need. And... go. It's so fast that it went through the Earth. Let's grab an 8-ball. Okay. And you're probably wondering, yeah, but this is smaller than a tennis ball. Well, whatever. We're going to make it work. Now we have an 8-ball the size of Earth being shot at Earth. And this one will actually be at light speed. Let's just slow it right down here and see what happens to the Earth when we do this. Okay, it's going. It's going. It should be traveling at 1 light speed towards Earth. This one should cause some damage. There's an Earth-sized object traveling at light speed toward the Earth. What is happening right now? Does this thing not have collision? You cannot possibly be serious. Oh, jeez, it just ate the Earth. How did it survive that? How did it survive that? You know what? How is it surviving this? Okay. You know what? Hold. Oh, my goodness. I think we've reached the literal cap for how big this thing can be. This is the magic 8-ball. Well, I think that's a good way to wrap up this video because we've basically broken the game. So thank you all so much for watching. If you did enjoy, please sure to leave a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss one of my videos. That's gonna wrap this video. So thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.